And I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about reverse mortgages and some myths that are associated with them. I wanted to clear up some of the common misconceptions. So a reverse mortgage is turning out to be a much more sound financial planning tool than it was years ago. There's so many more new protections that are put into place for retirees using a reverse mortgage. And a reverse mortgage can be used both as a refinance and as a purchase tool. So again, some of the misconceptions that are out there is that if you're buying or if you're using a reverse mortgage, you're actually giving up home ownership of the home, and that is completely false. So with a reverse mortgage, you will always have ownership of your home just as you would if you had a regular forward mortgage on your property. You just have a lien against it, which is the reverse mortgage, and as long as you live in the house and maintain the property and pay the taxes and the insurance, then you will always maintain the ownership of the property. And even when you pass on, your heirs will inherit the home just like a regular mortgage, and they just have to refinance it or pay it off within 6 months after you leaving the home. So it's a great tool that will always give you ownership of the home. The next thing is that your reverse mortgages should only be used as a last resort. Well, that's completely unfounded as well. Many financial planners these days are looking at reverse mortgages as a very viable option for seniors in their retirement. With a reverse mortgage, you're using the equity in your home as income, which is not taxable. So there's no tax on the withdrawal of the equity from your home. You can use the equity in your home and take monthly payments to you just like you would with an annuity or something like that. Should you choose that election, or you can just use a line of credit with a reverse mortgage. And the line of credit is there for you to use whenever you wish. You can tap into it for large expenses or just pay the property taxes and insurance when they're due. The choice is completely yours, and you are in complete control of the payments on the mortgage. You can make payments on it to reduce the balance, or you can allow the interest to accrue, whichever that you want to do. And again, you can use this to keep from withdrawing from taxable income like annuities and things such as that, and save that money to be passed on to your heirs or later on down the road should you choose. So again, using it as a last resort is just not the case anymore. And some people think there are too many restrictions on reverse mortgages. That's not the case. You can use the money however you wish when you withdraw your funds. You can just use the line of credit, like I said earlier, or take the funds maximum allowable all in a lump sum. It's completely up to you. It's your equity, and you use it however you wish. Another thing is that you could wind up owning more on your home than your home is worth, and your heirs would be responsible for the difference. That is completely false as well. If you have a reverse mortgage that is FHA insured, like most of them are, you will never owe more than 95% of the home's value at the time that the loan is extinguished. You'll order an appraisal, you'll determine what the home is worth, and then you will never owe more than that. And in most cases, since the market is appreciating so quickly in the home, your value is going to outpace any deferred interest that you are not paying. So you will have, in most cases, equity in your home. And since the average reverse mortgage is only taken out for 10 years or more, there will still be plenty of equity to leave to your heirs should you decide to do so, or you can sell the property and pocket your equity then as well. And again, lastly, reverse mortgages are just too complicated, and that is just not the case. They're just different. So work with a licensed professional that's experienced in reverse mortgages, and we can walk you through the process, show you different options, and make you feel as comfortable as you like with the reverse mortgage process. They are a great tool for you to use. You never lose your home unless you don't make the taxes and the insurance and keep the property maintained, and you will always retain ownership. So call me if you have any questions on this at all, 214-945-1066. Again, 214-945-1066. Or visit us online at mortgageprosus.com. Thanks so much, and I look forward to hearing from you. Please comment below or just give us a call if you have any questions. Have a great day.